There are some pool areas that robotic cleaners cannot reach. This is an example with an infinity pool. You usually have to use a pool hose with a vacuum. If we want to use a robot in the small area, we need to disconnect the track drive. I will be using an S-series robot because it is light. Remove the motor block. The S-series motors have a single drive. We do not want this gear to drive the tracks. We are trying to use the robot to manually filter. Undo the small Phillips head screw. Pull off the white plastic gear. Store the gear and screw to be used again later. Replace the motor and the two screws. I used rope to lower the robot into the overflow. Never hold the robot out of water using the blue cable. Pulling the robot around using the blue rope was not very good. I got down into the overflow pool and pushed it. If the robot is left to clean automatically, it fails. The area is too small and shallow for it to turn. We are essentially using it as a vacuum cleaner. The gear removal allows you to manually vacuum. Once finished, we will see how much was collected.
Holy.
All of this sand and dirt was collected. I then collected almost as much on round 2. Always satisfying to see how much did not go into your pool filter system. The overflow pool water is filtered and the floor is cleaned. Thanks for watching.